guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be telling a real sad story right now. Okay, so there's like a mom or a dad, bird in a nest. My mom actually found it like ripped up on the floor, and then the one who ripped it up and who took over the nest actually kicked one of the baby chickens out, and kicked an egg out, and then it hatched on the ground, and then we have it inside here. See you guys there. There it is.
It's a baby chicken. Not really a chicken. It's just a baby bird.
It's a baby bird. So we're actually making food for it right here. So all we did was we got dog food, which is this dog food, if you're familiar to that. And then you just need water, some tap water, I guess. Put it in there, and then all you need is to also put some 2 pinches into there of sugar, and then wait about an hour, and then it should be good. And then we're actually gonna go check if there's another one, because we don't know if there is another one when it got kicked out, or if it was in the nest. See you guys there. Okay, so we're right here in the backyard. Wait, shouldn't we check the nest though?
I can't get all the way up there right now. With all the bees, I'll have to do it tonight. I don't know where the dog is.
Isn't she inside cowering in my room?
Did you close the doors and all that stuff?
No. So, seems like we're not gonna check in the nest right now, but we'll do it tonight. So you guys heard. But so actually, a tip to do this: just get one of these things, which I think is from the pouch, and then get a heating bag, and then get this and put it around it. Look at it open its mouth. Looks like an ant. How cute is that?